Hello students, myself Archana Varude from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to start chapter number 2 of Applied Science, that is types of motion. And in this video we are going to learn about what is meant by inertia, what is by motion, what is the definition of displacement and speed. For that, first observe this photograph. Here on a glass there is a cardboard is placed and on that a coin is placed. But when the cardboard is pulled, then the coin is fall into a glass. And this is because the inertia of the coin maintains its state at rest and it falls into the glass due to gravity. See here, this object, that means coin, it follows the property of inertia. Then we see what is meant by inertia. Here consider that a body is at rest position, then that body has tendency to remain at rest position. And similarly, if the body is in uniform motion, then it has tendency to remain in that position, and this property of body is called as inertia. See here, for that we take example of that inertia of motion. Suppose the bus is stopped suddenly, then at that time the passengers fall forward when a fast moving bus is stopped. And this is because the lower part of bodies of the passengers come to rest as soon as the bus is stopped, but the upper part of their bodies continue to move forward due to inertia of motion. And therefore, from that we again say that the tendency of body to oppose any change in its state of uniform motion is known as inertia of motion. Then what is the difference between rest and motion? When we say that a body is said to be rest position, if its position does not change with respect to fixed points in its surroundings. For examples, a book lying on the table. Second example is a bench fixed in a park. Here, these two examples gives they are at rest position, and opposite to that, motion. A body is said to be motion if its position continuously changes with respect to its surroundings, changes with time. Here the position of body is not fixed. When we say that body is at rest position, then they are not changing their positions. But when we say that body is in motion, then at that time that body changes its position. And examples of motion are a flying bird in a sky, and second example is a boy playing football. Then what is meant by motion? For that we consider the body is at rest position. When it changes its position with respect to time, then it is said to be in motion. And that motion of body is caused due to the force acting on it. If the force is absent, then there is no changes in position of that body. And at that time we say that that body is at rest position. But due to the force, that body changes its position. That time it is called as it is in motion. See here, this car covers 20 km in 1 hour. Here timing is 1 hour and here distance is 20 km. Then if we want to find the speed of car, then at that time we take the ratio of that distance upon time. Here distance is 20 km and time is 1 hour. Therefore we get 20 km per hour. This is the speed of that car. And therefore from that we write the definition of speed is the rate of change of distance with time is called as speed, and it is a scalar quantity. Here it is called as scalar quantity because it needs only a magnitude. It does not require direction. See this diagram. This is the distance covered by the particles and this is called as displacement. Then one main difference between distance and displacement is distance is a scalar quantity and whereas displacement it is a vector quantity, because distance gives only a number, a magnitude, but where displacement gives magnitude as well as direction. Then what is meant by displacement? For displacement, symbol used is S, and for that here the definition is the change in given position of given particle in a particular direction is called as displacement. See here, this is the first position of particle. Here it changes its position from that point A to point B and it is in a given direction, and that is called as a displacement. Then what is meant by velocity? For velocity, symbol is used as V, and this velocity is the ratio of change in displacement with respect to time. When we find the ratio of displacement with respect to time, then it is called as velocity. Here formula is V equals to ds means displacement and dt means time, and therefore we get V equals to ds upon dt. Then what is the difference between speed and velocity? Here as we know that speed it is a scalar quantity. The speed it gives only simple how fast you are traveling. See here we write this car is traveling at a speed of 20 meter per second. But velocity it is a vector quantity and it gives a speed in a given direction. And here we write the car is traveling at a velocity of 20 meter per second in east, and this east it is shows the direction. That's all about today's video. I hope you all understand what is by motion, what is meant by inertia, what is the definition of displacement, velocity and speed. Thank you.